Trading your life for a better future might sound a little hard, but hard is nothing when you are studying at the Faculty of Commerce and Business Administration in the FUE. Because when it comes to opportunities, you learn to do perfectly analyzed trades and much more. You get to choose from 5 majors with a diverse education in partnership with University of Cincinnati, USA. That includes teaching you how to make the biggest trade ever, which is trading your life for a better future. Needless to say, you get to work with multiple partners after you complete your university years, all to be able to trade in for a way much better future. FUE, preparing you for the future.
Take a step to the future for a better future.